We got the Intel tech. Check it out. Oh, Pablo. We just met and Steel and Pablo for the sponsors of tomorrow. The sponsors of tomorrow.
Cool.
There you go. Oh. We're here at the Mobile Mix at Intel. Once you make your music, feel free to go back to our digital wall, complete a survey, and get your Android pin.
I think we got a new one. Rumor has it. There's a Blues
Brother pin now.
And we're from Chicago, so that's pretty special for us.
Alright, we should do a Blues Brothers jam.
All right. Time for a Blues Brothers jam. Baby, don't you wanna go? Baby, don't you wanna go back to that same old day, sweet home, Chicago. Chicago, that's where we from. We here to do a little song, get you into the beat, and it sounds so sweet. It's so swell. Intel, everybody, and here's the party. It's going down on the Reactable. My statement is not retractable, and if I want, I'll sackable. I'm in Spain, I'm fighting bulls every day. On a Reactable, we do play. I'm G, he is J. J's my brother, I'll be G. End-to-end security. That's the kind that you get when you hang with Intel Tech. What?